Falcon V2 transmitters for Falcon F5 and Falcon F2 locators offers 3 power modes to balance between battery life and depth. High power mode for maximum depth range, standard power mode for everyday jobs, and low power mode to extend battery life when drilling shallow. You can identify a V2 transmitter by its etchings and infrared port sticker. To select the power mode, hold the transmitter in the desired orientation indicated by the sticker during pairing. When pairing your transmitter, you have the option to select 2 new bands and set the same power mode for each band, change the power mode of a previously saved band, or pair up and down bands independently with different power modes. For high power mode, pair your F2 or F5 transmitter facing up with the battery compartment down. For low power mode, hold the transmitter facing down with the battery compartment up during pairing. For standard power mode, pair while holding the transmitter horizontally. And remember, calibration of depth is required after pairing any new band or power level.